In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Drive settings. Now, this is an incredibly useful skill to have, whether you're a beginner just getting started or someone looking to tailor their Drive experience to better suit their needs. Customizing your settings can make your workflow more efficient and enhance how you interact with files. So, let's dive right in and go through this simple process together. The first thing we want to do is go over to your Google Drive homepage. You can easily do this by opening your web browser and typing in drive.google.com. Once you're there, you should see all your files and folders neatly organized on your screen. It's like stepping into a digital workspace that's perfectly tailored for managing all your documents. Next, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. There you'll find a little gear icon which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that. This icon might not always be the first thing you notice, but it's your entryway into personalizing your Google Drive. By accessing this menu, you're opening the door to a variety of settings that can help streamline your user experience. After clicking on the settings icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll want to select the settings option, which should be located at the top of the list. Clicking this will lead you into a new window where you can make a whole host of adjustments to your Drive settings. One of the first options you might see is appearance. This is where you can toggle between dark mode and light mode depending on your preference. This feature not only helps reduce eye strain in different lighting conditions, but also allows for a more personalized visual experience. Next up, let's consider the Convert Uploads option. This is where you can set all your uploaded files to automatically convert to Google Docs editor format. If you're working with Google Docs, Sheets or Slides, this can be particularly helpful as it allows for seamless editing without needing to manually convert each file. Now, if you often find yourself in places with spotty internet connectivity, the offline setting could be a lifesaver. By enabling create, open and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets and Slides files on this device while offline, you can work on your documents without an internet connection. This ensures that regardless of where you are, your productivity doesn't have to come to a halt. Another feature worth noting is the Show Details card when hovering on a file or folder icon option. Once activated, this feature provides quick access to key details about a particular item on your drive, helping you get a snapshot of what's inside without needing to open it fully. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now customized your Google Drive settings to better match your needs. Each of these changes can make small but impactful improvements to your Google Drive usage. So feel free to explore these settings further to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.